Today we're discussing 3 ways that you can do even more in Drawio. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on adding hyperlinks, tooltips, and layers to make your diagrams not just functional, but genuinely interactive and engaging. So, if you're ready to unlock the full potential of your diagrams, let's get started. Adding hyperlinks to shapes lets you link external URLs in your diagram as well as internal links like Confluence pages or Jira issues. It's great for adding context without adding clutter. So, imagine you're presenting a project overview and there's a detailed report that your team often forgets to check. Instead of overwhelming everyone with text and separate documents, link directly to that report from your diagram. There are 2 ways that you can actually add a link. You can add a link to the actual text, or you can add a link to the actual shape. And you can do this by right-clicking the shape and then select Edit Link and then add your link. Or you can also use the shortcut. For example, you can use Alt-Shift and L to quickly bring up the editor. After opening the link editor, you can add external URLs, link to other parts of your diagram, Confluence page anchors, or even attachments within Confluence. Along with the ability to insert URLs of any kind, you can also link to the attachments of your Confluence page or use the search function to look up attachments that are stored anywhere in Confluence. 2 options that leverage your diagramming even further are linking to page anchors or tabs within your Drawio diagram. Use your diagram as a big picture on a comprehensive concept page to visually guide users and then take them to detailed paragraphs if they wish to do so. Or use our multi-tab feature to explain processes in detail and create a click path to jump between diagrams with just 1 mouse click. And as an extra tip for you, if you hide your Drawio toolbar, it will be even more convenient for your users to use the linking feature. This flexibility ensures that your diagrams are seamlessly integrated with the resources, again, that your team needs. A single click on your diagram allows your team instant access to more details, streamlining collaboration and reducing back and forth questions. Need to edit or remove a link? Just right-click and update or delete it. Tooltips offer additional context that appears only when hovered over, so they don't intrude on your design. You know those moments when someone asks, "What does this mean?" You can add a tooltip to clarify without cluttering your diagram. Picture your team hovering over a process and getting a quick, helpful note. To add a tooltip, go to the main menu and click Edit and then select Tooltips. Or you can use the shortcuts listed on the screen. Enter the tooltip message in the field that appears. This feature allows you to add visual, informative notes when hovering over elements, keeping your diagrams clean but packed full of essential information. Another great thing about tooltips is that they don't distract viewers. They're subtle, appearing only when needed, making them perfect for enhancing clarity. And yes, you can edit and remove them as easily as you added them. Layers allow you to separate and manage complex details without overwhelming viewers. But that's not all. Did you know that you can create interactive diagrams using Drawio? This takes your diagrams to the next level, enabling viewers to toggle between layers for themselves for a truly dynamic experience. While we won't go into full detail here, we've created another great video all about this topic. Check it out in the link below, or you can hit the card in the corner of the screen to learn more. Hyperlinks, tooltips, and layers aren't just extra features. They're game changers for collaborative and interactive diagrams. Start using them today to transform your diagrams from static visuals to engaging ones that allow your team to navigate your diagrams with ease. If this tutorial helped, remember to like and subscribe for more tips on mastering Drawio with Confluence. If you haven't tried Drawio already, you can try for free for 30 days in the Atlassian Marketplace. Until next time, stay connected.